Manipur ki irang asina marmorga lanjana raktuna relief camp singda lairiba imungi miyoi sing phase ahum thona Masha-Mashagi Mayumda Hanjin-Naba Hotnari Mayum makai leitraba singina lupa lakh ahum ronge senthang piragani haina Manipur lenga ki sub secretary Prasan Kumar Singh phongdokrai Manipur State Commission for the Scheduled Tribe linkat ki pasai ani surakpagi foundation de ngase Imphal hotel gi sangai hol pangthoki tharumaduga mari ledana Paumi Singh hangba wahangi pakum pireduna Chief Secretary P.K. Singh hai Secy July October made December thada phase thona lanjana ribasing Masha-Mashagi Mayumda Hanjin-Naba lengana thabok paikali Hojik relief camp singda lairiba lanjana rakhiba singgi manungda mioi lising tare ronge yum kai sengba chaganaba apik pasenthang pinaba suhonari hairiba mioi sing asi yum sing irang asida akayatoi thokrabasu matam sanami lenadaba oibana sizinaba yararoi makoi singi nongna yum sagachanaba senthang asi pigadabani haiki loinana masagi yumda hanjinbada khudong saroidaba mioi singi oina fabricated house ta lainaba thorang tawri paumi singna makhatan hangba wahangda secretary na makhatana hai mafam kyada lau singu bagi thabak thorom ingna singna paikhali manipur gi oina aadhar updation gi thabak paikhalagani haina su phongdoki Manipur State Commission for the Scheduled Tribes linkat ki pasahi ani surapagi foundation degi thoromaduda Manipur lenga ki Sub Secretary Prasan Kumar Singh Commission ge Chairperson T Matthew Romay Tribal Affairs and Hills ki Additional Sub Secretary Aruna Vaswai Additional Sub Secretary Finance Vivek Dewangan amadi atai maruiba miyoi kya susaru yaki
As you all know, India itself is a very diverse country. Unlike many countries in Europe or maybe even any other country in the West, there is homogeneity in the population. Same language, same religion, same culture, same values. But in India, you have so many languages, so many religions. Every religion is here. And look at Manipur; it is even more diverse. Because there are so many languages, people from different. Each district is different. I've been to each district. Every district has its own color, has its own culture, has its own dance form, has its own dialect, and different forms of hospitality also. Unbelievable to forget.